So today we got a surprise for you. This isn't every time that I shoot here at the house, but we're taking home something special. And with that, I mean a home-cooked meal. So what's in the box? We're gonna find out here shortly, but for right now, this is At Home Mike. Yeah, this is my house behind me. And we're gonna check out what's in the box. We're gonna head out and we're gonna showcase what we're bringing home for dinner tonight.
Today's word, boys and girls, is fresh. Mike, can you use that in a sentence?
I guess pasta.
Pasta? Fresh pasta.
Fresh pasta. Today, we are here at Della Casa Pasta, and they make this fresh right here in Tomball. Today, we're here with Louisa. She is the owner, and there we go. There's Louisa, and also we got Nick with us. So we got the whole crowd here. So I know you've been here now about a month.
Yes.
So what got you started making pasta? Because we've seen you around the Houston area, but how'd you get started making pasta?
Well, actually, this was my dream, to have a place where people can pick out their pasta, the sauce meals, and take it home and make a quick, easy meal, super easy and completely natural. So that was the idea.
What Louisa has created is simply amazing. We now have fresh, wet pasta right here in the Tomball, Texas area. So if you happen to be in the northwest side of town, this is a must if you happen to be a pasta lover.
We manage a whole manufacturing business from this facility. So we wholesale to about 160 restaurants all over Texas. We also have our product in Central Market and other small retail stores. And now we have the store, so people can go and buy it directly from the factory. So we do manufacture from here.
I don't know if you can tell us some of the restaurants that you are in?
Yes, we have great restaurants like 60 Vines. True Lux is one of our restaurants. The Society uses our pastas. And there are many, many more, of course, out there that uses our pasta.
All throughout the Houston area.
Yeah, we go Austin, San Antonio, and Dallas.
But I also know that if you want to get your own fresh pasta here, you can actually buy it right here behind you. They've got a fresh pasta bar that is to die for. And I think, Nick, you were saying this is one of the only ones in...
Yeah, I can't think of anything like this in the area or in Houston that you can get this level and quality of pasta.
Yeah.
This fresh and made from simple ingredients the Italian way.
Yeah.
Yes, we have meals, ready meals that you finish in the oven. So for 30 minutes in the oven, you have a very fine dining meal at home. So yes, we added meals, salads, a daily meal that we make one a day. So for example, Monday is chicken parmesan, and it comes with a whole meal for 4 people with bread, salad, the chicken, pasta, and the sauce. So it's a great meal, super easy to make at home.
Wow. So today's video is sponsored by Colleen Pye. Colleen Pye is a great dear friend of mine. I've known her for 9 years. When I first started doing real estate photography and videography, I met up with Colleen, and she has always gone above and beyond for her clients. Colleen is just a nice lady. She really goes above and beyond, and I can't endorse her enough. So if you're looking for a realtor to list or buy, check out Colleen Pye. She's up in the Tomball area. And if you do call her, tell her that Mike McCurdy sent you. So they really do have it all. You can see behind me, they've got freezers, they got different produce behind us, and they also have a rather large crowd here today. So this is really the place to come if you're looking for fresh pasta.
You can fill up a gift box of wines and olives and olive oil and fresh made pastas and all types of true authentic Italian products that you can't find anywhere except for maybe another specialty Italian place. So.
That's very true.
All right, so one of my favorite things here is raviolis. Any type of ravioli that this lady and her team makes is so good. And this is the machine that makes the ravioli.
Right. So tell us about the freshness of this place. I think you guys actually make all your pasta right here with all these machines. And you were telling me how you use, locally fresh eggs, things like this. So you just kind of expand on that.
Yeah, so we use Texas eggs. So this is the thing. I wanted to open my kitchen so people can see what is going on because we have nothing to hide. So you see customers right there looking through. So when the kitchen is operating, they can see and they come and make videos. They can see how we crack the eggs. So we use fresh eggs. We don't use liquid eggs or nothing artificial. It's just they see cracking one egg at a time, mixing it with the semolina and making the pasta. And that's why we're proud to open our kitchen.
Man, looking at all this produce that you're making here, this is amazing what you guys can pull off. I'm a sucker for machinery, and watching this pasta being made in front of my eyes was just simply a treat. You can do the same. You can actually come over and watch this pasta being made directly in front of your eyes. You can see the natural ingredients that they're putting into it and just have a little bit of fun. So yeah, definitely check this out and be sure to come by and check out your pasta being made right before your eyes. We brought some of this pasta home just to try out, and I will say there is nothing like the taste of real pasta. You can taste the difference. This is super easy to cook. I mean, even for a guy like me, I can flip burgers, I can make pudding, things like that. But something like this, making fresh made pasta, nah, I can't do that. But making it here at home and basically you're taking it out of the refrigerator or the freezer, putting in some boiling water, straining it, and just like that, dinner is served. That's so fresh. I don't think you can find fresher pasta anywhere in the city of Houston than Della Casa Pasta. I mean, as you'd say in Italy, it's magnifico. Oh, my dog agrees. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you see me in the area scouting out some new food locations, be sure to say hi.